Burgers are a beloved meal, and for optimal flavor and ease of cooking, it's best to defrost burger patties beforehand. The ideal method is to thaw them in the fridge, which takes about 5 hours per pound. However, quick options include using cold water or a microwave. Always store patties in their original packaging or an airtight container in the fridge, and keep defrosted patties for up to 2 days before cooking. Once defrosted, cook beef or lamb patties to an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius, and chicken patties to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius for safety. Leftovers can be kept in the fridge for 4 days or frozen for up to 4 months. Enjoy your burgers with your favorite toppings and sauces.